Hello guys, let's talk about indirect quotation in Korean. You already learned this pattern earlier in Core 151 or at the beginning of Core 152. However, this time I will introduce something more casual way that we use in casual conversations. To begin with, if I refresh your memory, indirect quotations, the structure comes from the plain speech style's ending form, right? And then the ending form is different according to the type of the sentence. Statement, question, request, letter suggestion, and then noun이다, uh, to be couplet verb. And at at the end of this suffix, adding go quotation suffix and 하다, that means say. By adding this 고하다 to the end of the applied speech styles ending form, that means someone say, they say, some sources say, some source informs that, blah, blah. And then type of the sentence is statement and question. And then pay attention in direct quotation. We don't use 어라 rule. For the request, we use 으라고 rule. And then suggestion, 자고하다. And in case noun이다 statement, then 이라고 하다. noun이다 statements, noun이다 is questions and question, then 이냐고 하다. Be careful. Then the way that we use, the common way that we use in casual conversations is usually in casual conversations we use a shortened form, right? So I'm gonna introduce the shortened form. Shortened form. 뭐뭐다고 해요 is jail. But pay attention in case of the present tense or non-past tense. In case of verb, stem plus 니은데요 or 는데요. 니은데요, 는데요. Pay attention. In case of question, 네요 and 으래요, 제요, 이래요, 이네요. Very simple, right? And then I'm gonna provide examples one by one. Let's see. Jenny says this, and then you're gonna relate what Jenny said using the shortened form of indirect quotation structures. 자, what did Jenny say? 자, let's see. 요즘 날씨가 좋아요. This is a statement, right? And then the main predicate is 좋다. 좋다 is adjective and tense is present tense and statement. So they were ending form. So 좋대요. She said this is the weather is nice. 내일 아침 9시까지 와. This is a request, right? In case of request, 의뢰요. 오다. Was dictionary form is 오다. O ends with vowel. So 레요. 오래요. 내일 아침 9시까지 오래요. She said, she told me to come. Well, she told me or us to come by 9 a.m. tomorrow. 토요일에 약속 있어요. So it's a question, right? So 있다, 있냐, 있네요. 토요일에 약속 있네요. She asked me whether I have an appointment this Saturday. 저녁에 전화하세요. 저녁에 저한테 전화하세요. This is a request, right? Call me tonight, right? Call me at night. So, request. So again, 레요. 전화하다. 하다. The stem ends with vowel. So 전화하래요. 저녁에 전화하래요. She asked me to call at night. But if you want to add 저한테, then here 저는 to herself. So in this case, we say 자기 씁니다. 자기. Here 자기 is not honey, 자기. self야. herself. So 저녁에 자기한테 전화하래요. It's very important입니다. 자, 오늘 점심에 같이 식사해요. Let's eat together this afternoon. So it's a kind of suggestion. Let's suggestion. Then 식사하다, 하재요. So 점심에 같이 식사하재요. Okay? 다음 주 수요일이 제 생일이에요. Jenny said this one, right? So next Wednesday is my birthday. Jenny said this one. So it means that Jenny said next Wednesday is her birthday. So her, again, herself's birthday. So we say 다음 주 수요일이 생일이래요. If you want to make specific for 제, then 자기 생일이래요. Or 다음 주 수요일이 제니 생일이래요. Okay? 수업 후에 같이 운동할까요? By appearance, it looks like a question, right? But actually, the connotation wise, it's not a question. This is a suggestion. Why don't we, 뭐뭐 할까요? Why don't we? How about exercising together after class, right? So, suggestion. So, 제요, 운동하다, 운동하재요. 수업 후에 같이 운동하재요. She said, she suggested to exercise together after class. 같이 여행 가는 게 어때요? This one also, by appearance, it looks like a question, but it's not question. How about, why don't we? Suggestion입니다. 같이니까 let's suggestion. So, 여행 가다, 여행 가다. So, 여행 가재요, suggestion. So, 어, 같이 여행 가재요, 가재요. So, she suggested to go on a travel trip together. Or if you want, 뭐뭐 하는 게 어때요? If you want to use as the question as it is, then you can use 어때요's dictionary form is 어떻다. So 어떤예요? 같이 여행 가는 게 어떤예요? 제가 전화할게요. Jenny said, 제가 전화할게요. I'll give you a call. So this is statement. So 전화하다, 전화하다. So statement 돼요. 전화하다. Present tense, non-past. 전화하다, verb. 전화하, ends with vowel. So 니은데요. 전화한대요. 전화한대요. Who? Jenny. So you can say, if you want to make a specific 제가 in direct quotation, then you have to say 제니가 전화한대요. Or 자기가 전화한대요. Self, herself will give me a call. 뭐 give a call. 자기가 전화한대요. 제니가 전화한대요. Or if you want to add a sense of get intention, then you can use get here. 전화하겠대요. 제니가 전화하겠대요. 제니가 or 자기가 전화하겠대요. So when you conjugate, and I mean when you use indirect quotation, again you have to decide the type of the sentence, whether it is a question or a statement, and then you have to be careful about 저 related indirect the word 저 in the original sentence should be changed to appropriately in indirect quotation, 자기 or 제니. And then what? Like 걔. First person only can use 걔. First person subject only can use 걔. So in this case, you are delivering Jenny's message, right? So in this case, you cannot use K. Change it to cat. So it looks like very simple, but it's very important to recognize the type of the sentence and change some words like 저 to 자기한테. There are other complicated elements, but for now, if you uh, familiarize yourself with at least these points, then you can understand and you can say Korean very casually. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.